Absolute cracker, that one. Sparks going to fly, I think.
Indeed, Dawn, thank you very much. Right, that's not quite it for sport though, because Jen Bartram with the weather. Jen, you were doing the Great North Run this weekend.
Yes, I am, Jeff. The 13th one for me, which is
30?
hopefully going to be better than the last 12. I'm never very fast, but I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing everybody else over the course of the weekend. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you in the forecast tonight is a look at the weather for the Great North Run. Take a look at this. These are our new weather graphics. It's a bird's eye view of the Great North Run route, but if you look up to the sky you can see the clouds, and these are data driven. That means these are the clouds we're actually forecasting for the race itself. So it's actually looking like a decent morning. We are going to have a lot of cloud, there is a chance of some rain, and it will be quite breezy as well. So a decent westerly wind for that run down the John Reed Road. Now let's take a look at the forecast for the rest of us through the course of the night tonight. It is going to be a fairly cool night tonight. We are going to have a lot of clear skies, temperatures dropping down to around 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. So it is going to be quite chilly under those clear skies. Now, as we head through to tomorrow morning, the cloud is going to start to roll in. So Saturday is going to get off to a fairly cloudy start with the risk of some outbreaks of rain, especially across parts of North Yorkshire and perhaps Cumbria as well. Further north than that, we will see some sunshine coming out, and temperatures will be getting up to a high of around 16 or 17 degrees. So it is going to be feeling fairly cool with a westerly breeze blowing as well. Now, through Saturday night on into Sunday, we are going to see those skies clearing once again, but gradually as we head towards the early hours of Sunday morning, the cloud will start to roll in from the west, so the temperatures won't fall quite as low. We're looking at lows of perhaps around 10 or 11 degrees Celsius to take us into Sunday morning. Now, Sunday is looking like another fairly unsettled day. We start the morning off with a lot of cloud, some outbreaks of rain as well. Some of these could be heavy, but they will be hit and miss. Many of us will avoid them and have a dry day, and in fact the afternoon on Sunday is looking quite decent. We should all see some spells of sunshine. It is going to be quite breezy again though, and temperatures won't get much higher than say around 16, 17, maybe 18 degrees Celsius. Then if we take a look at the outlook, so summing up the whole weekend as a whole and looking into the start of next week, we carry on with this fairly unsettled theme to our weather. There is going to be quite a lot of cloud around at times, some outbreaks of rain, and as you can see from the outlook, Cumbria is most likely to experience that rain over the next few days, but it's not going to be desperately heavy. There will be some lighter periods as well, and much of the time it will actually be dry. As far as the temperatures are concerned, as we head into the start of next week, we are expecting it to stay around the mid to high teens, perhaps around 16 or 17 degrees. And for much of the northeast, we will see some sunshine coming through at times. So really, summing up the whole of the weekend, it does look like it's going to be staying fairly unsettled. We are going to have quite a breezy few days, lots of cloud around, some outbreaks of rain at times, and it will be staying cool, but plenty of dry weather to be had. Back to you, Jeff.
Thank you very much, Jen. So Jen's doing